So menu button. Okay, so menu button, although we can get like haircut management. Okay, when we go to the haircut management, we can see the system report test scanning, or we can do all this management: software upload, configuration, validation, repository management, specific software upload, everything. Now today we want to see like EEC, some specific functions we have. Okay, we will see what are the we have. So we can select the system report from here also, or otherwise you can have a shortcut here. The shortcut, if I'll take system report test, okay, so I'll be selecting this. When I select this, I will have a system report test and scanning. This page will come up. So any test when you want to do, we have this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we'll go to the chapter, engine chapter. So FedEx switches on.
Yes.
So show the FedEx switches on. Right. So FedEx switches are on. So we have, now I will be selecting like chapter 73. When I select the chapter 73, I will be getting some, because the EEC is also interfaced with the CPM. So some functions, some applications are on the CPM. Okay. Now I will be doing like EEC 1 alpha. Each EEC, we have one EEC only, one engine, having the channel 1A and 1B. So I will take the channel 1A. This will come, okay, the EEC channel 1A. I have to add this. After selecting, I have to add this in the interactive byte. When I add it, EEC 1A is available here. Now start interactive byte. So I have three options. One option is the test option. Second option is the reports. Third option is the specific function. So one by one we will see all these options. So what we have on the test. So test, we have the FedEx system test, which is the normal EEC test when we want to do anything. Audible test of the igniters. So we are checking the audibility. So igniters will be on off like that. Harness test. So harness test, when you put this to the test and then shake the harnesses. If you have some intermittent fault, you go to the engine and then shake the harnesses physically and just see if anything messages get registered. So that is the harness test. VSV test, again for the VSV opening closing, this operation. FMV test, this is the fuel metric valve test. Okay, so again it is doing the testing. And the bleed valve test. So these are the test options available on the test menu. Okay, now we'll see the other menu. Okay, let's go back. Now what is the reports? What we have in the reports? When you go to the reports, we have the EGT accidents reports. Now you have some EGT accidents happen, any event, and that time you can select the EGT accidents report. So EGT accidents report will give you the summary of the like what was the EGT accidents happened, that event happened. Okay, about this. Shaft speed accidents. That means this is about the N1, N2, N3, the shaft speeds. Then EEC configuration report. This is about the EEC software and the hardware configuration. Let us just open this EGT accidents report. What we are getting here. You can see here the maximum EGT value recorded during the last engine operation. So maximum EGT value degree, this much, 869.4. Total EGT accidents period seconds, so there was no accident. Do you want to erase all the EGT accidents report, or no or yes? And if you select as per that, then it will continue. So this we can get from here. Okay. So this is the accidents report. So we have to close this. Then we'll go back to the back, because back button was not working here. And we let's see. We go here. Chapter 73 again. Okay, so again I am taking the EC1A. I will add this here. I will start the interactive byte. Now report section. We have seen the reports, three types of reports. Now specific function. So what are the specific functions? ODMS debris count reset. So you have a oil system. Okay, they detected any debris count, so that can be reset. And engine core cleaning. Okay, so where first we'll see that is the, there we will see the water wash and other things. So was the ODMS sensor clean? No. Okay, continue. You go here. What is say? Clean the debris sensor before you do this procedure. Okay. So I will go back here. Sorry, back to this one. Okay. 1 minute. I will go against specific functions. ODM is degrees count. Reset. Okay. Suppose I selected the option. Yes. Continue. The degrees count will be reset before you continue. Make sure that so I will not be continuing. Okay, don't worry. I will not be putting anything in. You have to close only. Back to the function selection. Okay, so we have like again specific functions. We show the core cleaning. The cleaning of the IP HP compressor water wash. When we are doing it, when we have some EGT margin is less. Basically, we have more EGT during the start or otherwise. So by compressor cleaning, we can get some like margin, more margin. Cleaning of the HP, IP compressor, water and glycol method. There are two methods given. Okay. So we'll go back from here. We'll see the test again. In the test, what we are getting. So FedEx system test, anytime you can do, there is no problem here. Okay, so FedEx system test, when you press here, so it will be asking you, the FedEx system test examines the interface, the input, the output and the internal fault of the FedEx system. System test is one channel. We also identify the faults in the other channel. So both the channels will be right. I will not be doing the test because we have promised them we will not do it. Okay. That is the problem, right? It is taking back. Then we go to the 73. Okay. Add EC1A. Add. Okay, so start interactive byte. Test. So audible test, as we know, that is for the ignition, right?
Yes.
So make sure that the isolate the power supply. Then only you will continue. Minimum of 3 minutes before you do work on the ignition system. That will be discharge the compressor and all, or the condensers, all those things. Okay. So this again, I am not doing it. I want to go back. I just want to show you the menu. I was going full back. Harness test, as I told you, we have to shake the harnesses. Okay, after like selecting the test. VSV test we are doing for the VSV operation. Okay, let us just see VSV test what is here, what it shows. It's like it will be asking you to do, make sure that there are no person objects. So it will be not start moving by its own. You have to select some. Make sure that there are no person. Press confirm operation. No, abort. Okay, I don't want to do it. So test aborts and 3 did not increase to a satisfactory value. Okay, aborted the test. So we need some like inputs before doing it. So we have to check the AMM. Okay, all the controls are in their initial position. When all the controls are in their initial position, a pop-up with an error message like comes into view. Ignore this error message. The engine master switch is in the off position. Engine master man start push buttons. So we have the man start push buttons here. These are the man start push buttons. Boeing people. These are the man start push buttons. When we want to do the engine start selector switch is in the norm position. So we have the engine start switch is in. This is the norm position. These are off. Okay, so we have test like this. Okay, we will go to the other chapters. Okay, like we will be doing like another chapter here. Okay. Let us see the air, what we have in the air chapter. EC1A. Add. Start rectified. So again now we have some test. The same test you can see here. no different. Okay, it's the same test you will see. So in that means you can go from any chapter. Okay, this will be showing you the same. Okay, so if you are selecting like 73 or 75 or select it, it will take you the 75 1 minute. It's like that. Okay.
No, it wasn't the easy. Go back. Easy to be removed. Yeah. Just wait, remove it. Yeah, remove it. This one to go.
So here we have the EAF because we have selected the EAF and E-Track.
Yeah,
So
okay.
EAF system test. What is EAF?
Indian interface. function.
Indian interface function. Okay, these are not unit, they are functions. Thrust reversal cycling test.
Yes.
Well, you want to like reset the thrust, you want to do the thrust reversal, any report is there, you want to do the reset cycling test. Throttle control lever, engine master switch and air card permission, discrete relay test. So this test will be giving you like this on off of the this like whatever the input they are providing to the EC, that can be like simulated. Okay. Then engine start selector test.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the tests. Actually, unfortunately, we cannot do there any test here because of the this thing. Now, suppose there is a start test. So this test does a check of the engine start selector switch. The two EEC will be energized during the test. So already we have basically this energized from the maintenance on the overhead panel. Okay, so these some instructions. Everything is normal. That's why everything is
Green.
green. So make sure that the engine one throttle controller is the forward idle. Make sure that the engine two throttle controller is at the forward idle.
Can do this.
Okay. So this will be like start selector test.
Yeah.
The start selector test will be doing the test for this.
Yes.
So we don't want to do this, okay? Because we some people are working on the EC. Okay, right. Then on the center panel, engine start selector to the ignition start. It will be asking you to do this. Okay, I don't want to do this. Close. Back to the function selection. So you go and then close it. Do another test here. Exhaust. Then it is taking us to the AFN and E-Track only. Add. Start intake tip byte. Okay. Select here. Then we are getting the
Same test.
same test. Same test. Right? The same tests are available in the same place. So nothing here special. Upload and configuration validation. Okay. The next is like when we want to select the upload and configuration validation. So you are getting this like here. Now suppose I have one any unit. Suppose I'll put here the like RBC. Okay. So I'll put and enter, and then I'll put a search. So it will be giving me all these softwares. Okay, like this is the RBC1, we have the this is the software 1, software 2. When I select any one of this, I will be getting this. When I select this, all the related software will get selected. Then I will be going like confirm selection. When I select the confirm, I will do the confirm selection. So it's like following fins are selected. Okay, so like these two fins are selected. Okay, confirm, confirm. So it will be giving you some software where the configuration to be validated. See, that's why it is in the amber. If you validate it, then only it becomes the white.
Okay.
So I don't want to do, I don't know what they have, okay. But if you want, like you can select it,
Click and validate.
then validate will be, this
Yes,
button will be
down.
active.
Okay.
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 Now suppose if I select even,
No, might be the CP circle, sir. We don't know.
maybe
Ah.
something is there, that's why. Okay, the configuration to be valid. Anyway, so we have this in the, or we can do the configuration validation. Okay,
CP page.
so
CP page.
okay, FedEx को off कर दो.